Hello, yeah. So today I'll show you how to update the records from any table. Like if we want to update or do a mass update to a table, we can do it via LSMW. So just one method to update mass records in a table. So LSMW it's basically used to transport data from a non-SAP system to an SAP system. So we can use it for our purpose as well. Like if you want to transfer the data from GDP to GDQ or GDQ to GDP, that data can also be transferred through LSMW. So I will just click here. So first we need to create a project for LSMW. So now I'll click here, new project. So I'll give a name to project. So in my case I'll create a flavor code. So FL, this one is fine. FLA or FLB I'll give. So move flavor codes from prod to quality. Okay. Same I'll give. I guess flavor code spelling is incorrect. Flavor codes. Okay. So I've created one project. I'll just press enter. Now inside this project I'll click on change. Now I'll go to the patch input recording. I need to create a recording for this. So then I'll just here there is one option recordings. So I'll create a new recording for it. So I'll give some name for a recording. For example, I'll give Z underscore FLB. So recording for flavor codes. Okay, is unacceptable. Okay, so here I think we can't give the special character, so ZFLV. So now in my case I'm using SM30, the table maintenance transaction. So here in SM30 I can go directly. I can give the table name. So in my case it's this the table name. I'll just click on edit. I'll add a new entry in it. I can give the flavor code as 029 flavor code, for example AMM flavor AMMIL hexadecimal, for example this one. Status is active and press enter, then save and go back. So back, then click on default all. This is fine, and then just a minute, like you need to just copy all this. So you need to press Ctrl Y, copy this. Okay, copy it and paste it in an Excel. Just here we can just click on the column and just text to column, text width, next, next, and finish. So it would be in the separate column. Now we can just copy the meta text. We can just copy it in the new sheet. Click here, right click, paste special, transpose. Okay. So it would come in an ID like columnar format. Then we can just save this and come back. Now we need to select the recording which we created. So FLV is our recording. Save it. Go back. Now define source structures. So click on edit. Create source structures. For example, ZFLV. Save it, come back and define source fields. Click on edit. Then here in table maintenance, here we need to give the field names which we are like here. These are few fields, so we can copy them and paste it directly. Type should be always selected as C, so alphanumeric, it would be an alphanumeric type. So for all we can select C. Here we need to give the length, so ID will be 3 letters, code ID would be 6 to 7, so I will give 10 for this. Name would be 11 to 12, I will give 20. This would be 5 to 6, I will give 7. Status would be of 1 digit, I will give 2. And field label would be this one. So I'll just copy everything, paste it here and save it. Back, save it, back. Now structure relation, we can just click on edit relation, go to utilities, go to create, position the line that needs to be changed. Is already assigned, so click on just save and go back. Field mapping and conversion rule. Here we need to click on edit, go to extras, auto field mapping. Everything looks fine. Here we need to accept proposal for everything. Auto field mapping is completed, so this field mapping is also done. Save it and come back. This we don't need to perform this activity. Basically specify files. Now here we need to give the files which we are going to use, so we delete this one. Flavor code. For example, I'll take this. How much of the 57 records? I'll just paste it here. I'll delete this first line and file, save as. Yeah, save it in desktop. text delimited format. Save. Now I'll go here to legacy data. Click on edit. Legacy data, double click. Select the file. Upload mass. Open. Give any name for files like ZFL flavor. This delimiter should be tabular. Click on and save. Then go back. Assign files. Double click. Edit. Table assignment. Already been assigned. So click on enter. Save. Go back. Read data. Double click. Now here there are almost 57 records for reference. I give 1 to 200 rows. Just execute it. So 57 records are there. Go back. Display read data. So from line 1 we can display tick mark. Okay, so all the records are here. Go back. Convert data. So 1 to 200 just for reference. Execute. 57 records are there. So converted data would be displayed here. So here is all the data. So here we can see like flavor ID 29, year YOG and X code, status code. Everything is there. And create batch input session. Here we can directly execute this. One batch input for 57 has been created. Then run batch input session. So this 57 is R1, so we can select this one and process it. So we can process it in background and extended logs we can see here and process. So now we can see the logs. So it's still processing. Log without session. So once the status comes, our records are updated. So we can just go and check in SA16 or SM30 if the records are updated. So this was the table. So see, all the records which we were expecting to update, it all are updated now. That's it. We need to do this